UNI 909 SCDD 550200 4 channel DC to DC short circuit protected card is used. Here polarity free control input 3 to 32 VDC given to input terminals IL1, IL2, IL3 and IL4 green LED for control signal indication. FL1, FL2, FL3 and FL4 is for fault indication via red LED. 24 VDC SMPS supply is given to terminal. Here green LED indicate SMPS supply is on. ST is common status indication for any fault feedback to PLC or buzzer. Here red LED is connected for indication. Here 2 ampere bulb is connected to load L1, L2, L3 and L4 terminal. Now control input is given to channel 1. We can see here IL1 green LED on, which indicate control input is on. We can see here 2 ampere bulb is on. Now control input is given to channel 2. We can see here IL2 green LED is on, which indicate control input is on. 2 ampere load current. Now control input is given to all 4 channels. Here we can see green LED IL1, IL2, IL3 and IL4 on. All 2 ampere bulbs are on. Here we can see each load have 2 ampere load current. Now control input is on and off. Here we can see green LED are on and off. Bulb on and off. 2 ampere load current. Card is running in healthy condition. UNI 909 DC to DC short circuit card kit for logic testing. Supply is given. Control input is on off. Here we can see IL1 green LED is on and off. Load switching okay. Now load short. Output from card is off. Fault red LEDs on. Status LEDs on. Load shaved. Now remove shorting. Output from card is on. Fault LEDs off. Status LEDs off. Load working in healthy condition. Now overload condition by adding bulb as a load. Over temperature detection above 180 degree. Here output from card is off. Fault red LEDs on. Status LEDs on. Remove overload condition. Output from card is on. Fault red LED off. Status LED off. Load working in healthy condition. Now load is open. Output from card is off. Fault red LED on. Status LED on. Load is saved. Now load is connected. Output from card is on. Fault red LED off. Status LED off. Now control input is off. MOSFET short inside card. Output from card is on. Fault red LED on. Status LED on. Load is direct, but fault feedback given to PLC or buzzer. Now remove MOSFET sorting. Control input is on. Output from card is on. Fault LED off. Status LED off. Load is working healthy condition. For all types of fault, 909 SSR card output is off, show load is not affected. Fault red LED indication on card. Status feedback to PLC or buzzer for easy identification. Product suitable as per industry 4.0 and higher.